Hi guys, I'm Yanjin and welcome back to K-pop Hangaban. Today we're going to focus on verse 4 and chorus. So verse 4 is by Jaehook and Jungkook. So Hope World, 다 말하지 너무 작던 내가 영웅이 된 거라고. 어우나. 난 말하지 운명 따윈 처음부터 내게 아니었다고. 어우나. So let's count the words first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, we'll go over them really fast and then repeat it multiple times. So 다, 말, 하, 지, 너무, 작던, 내가 영웅이 된 거라고. So 다 말하지. There's going to be an L between these two and the H is going to disappear. 말하지. 너무 작던 내가 영웅이 된 거라고. So 다 말하지 너무 작던 내가 영웅이 된 거라고. 다 말하지 너무 작던 내가 영웅이 된 거라고. So 다 is everyone. 말하지 says that. 너무 a really 작던 small. me 영웅이 a hero then became 거라고. So that's literally. Okay, so let me go over this again. 다 is everyone. 말하지 is says that. 너무 is a really. 작던 is small. 내가 is me. 영웅이 is a hero. 된 거라고 is became. Okay, so that's literally. So a natural version of this in English would be, everyone says that I used to be so little and now I became a hero. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so 21 syllables. So, 난 말하지 운명 따윈 처음부터 내게 아니었다고. So, 난 말하지 like this one, the H is going to disappear and there's going to be an L between these two words. 말하지, 운명 따윈, 운명 따윈. There's a strong D here. I wrote TH, but it's a strong D. 따윈. 처음부터. But in the song, Jaehook actually says it as 첨. He combines these two in one. And it is actually possible, and we use that a lot in our daily lives. So keep that in mind or make a note. So 처음부터. Let's practice as that. 처음부터 내게. There's a strong G here. 내게 아니었다고. Okay. So 난 is I. 말하지 is say that. 운명 따윈 is things like destiny. 처음부터 is from the beginning. 내게 is mine. And 아니었다고 was never. I say that things like destiny was never mine from the beginning. Okay, so let's review this page. 다 말하지 너무 작던 내가 영웅이 된 거라고. Oh no. 난 말하지. 운명 따윈 처음부터 내게 아니었다고. So this is the second part of verse 4. 세계의 평화, no way. 거대한 질서, no way. 그저 널 지킬 거야, 난. Boy with love. Okay, so let's count the syllables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 세계의 평화. So 세계의 평화. So this is like young. Like I'm young, but you put a P in the front. So it's 평. Remember, Korean pronunciation is right there, right on, straightforward. That's going to be 평. Okay, 세계의 평화. And since we're connecting these two, get rid of the H. 평화. Just like WA. 세계의 평화. Okay, so 세계 is world. And 평화 is peace. World peace. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. 거대한 질서, no way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And so 거대한 질서. 거대한. And like for this one as well, you should get rid of the H. Since we're connecting these words, there's really no point of having H there, so just go 거대한. Just AHN with the A sound. 거대한 질서. Okay, so 거대한 is a great. 질서 is order. Okay, so this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 그저 널 지킬 거야, 난. 그저 널 지킬 거야, 난. So a strong G here. It's not written as a strong G, but since we're connecting the words, we are going to pronounce it as a strong G. So 그저 널 지킬 거야, 난. And by the way, in the song, Taeho actually says this as one word, so he goes 거야. So yeah, keep that in mind when you're singing the song. Okay, so 그저 means just. 널 means you, 지킬 means protect, and 거야 means going to, and 난 means I'm just going to protect you. Boy with love. Let's go over this slide. 세계의 평화, no way. 거대한 질서, no way. 그저 널 지킬 거야, 난. Boy with love. So here's the chorus. We had this in one of our previous classes, so let's just go over them really quickly. So, oh my, you got me high so fast. 내 전부를 함께하고 싶어. And remember, we said this as 전부. So, 내 전부를 함께하고 싶어. 내 means your, 전부를 means everything. 함께하고 means be with you. 싶어 means want to. Okay, so next one. 9. 이제 조금은 나 알겠어. So 이제 means now, 조금은 means kind of, 나 means I, 알겠어 means get it. I kind of get it now. Okay. So that's it for today, and here are the vocabularies you learned today. So let's go over them together. 다, all, every. 말하다, say, speak. 너무, so, to, really. 작다, small. 영웅, hero. 되다, become. 처음, 처음, first beginning. 처음부터, 처음부터, from the beginning. 아니다, 아니다, no, not. 세계, 세계, world. 평화, 평화, peace. 거대한, 거대한, great, big, huge. 질서, 질서, order. 그저, 그저, just. 지키다, 지키다, protect. 전부, 전부, all. 함께, 함께, together. 쉽다, 쉽다, want to. 조금, 조금, a little. 알겠다, 알겠다, no, okay. Okay, and that's it for today. And practice these words or watch this video again for 5 to 10 minutes and you're good to go then. Thank you and great work today.